friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Squishmallow Sonic. First, let's get started on the right hand side, and we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle for the right eye. Let's leave quite a big gap in the middle, and we're going to flip over towards the left hand side and replicate that for the left eye. Moving inside of those circles now, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the center of the eye. And then flipping over towards the left hand side, we'll replicate that one more time. In the corner of both eyes on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. Let's move underneath and draw in the nose now. So in the center, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. On the left hand side, we're going to start on that corner, curving this out, bringing that in towards the middle, curving that in at the bottom. And then moving over towards the right hand side, again, we'll curve that around, blending that in on that bottom line. In the center, we're going to draw in a small oval shape sideways for the highlight of the nose. Now let's frame in the muzzle. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this down past our eye, over towards the right and then out. And then flipping over towards the left hand side, we'll replicate this, curving this down, across, and then out. Starting on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing this all the way over and in towards the middle. And then flipping over towards the right, we're going to start back on that line, curving this around, bringing that all the way over, and then back in, blending that on the bottom. For the mouth, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom on the right hand side. And then now from here, let's just curve a small line that arches around and then in towards the middle. Let's move up. In the center now, we're going to draw the letter U, curving this around and then up on both sides. On the right hand side, let's start back on this line and we're going to curve this line out, arching this around and bringing that down. Let's flip over towards the left hand side now, replicating that. So we're going to start back on this line, curving this out, bringing this around and then back in. Let's frame in the body now. So moving directly up in the center, let's curve this line around and then down towards the side. And then starting back on the center line, we're going to curve this around and then down, ending that roughly at the same height. Now from here, we're going to come wider as we come below. So starting back on this line, we're going to arch this around, curving that in slightly as we get in towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to start on that line, arching this out towards the side of the page, and then curving that in, ending this at roughly the same height. On the left-hand side, now we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing this across, connecting those lines together. Up in the middle, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve a small line that arches around and then in towards the center. And now flipping over towards the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around and in, connecting that at a point. Let's start in the middle underneath the mouth. So in the center, we're going to leave a small gap, curving this line around, bringing that down on the left-hand side. And now starting back on that center line, we're going to continue to curve this out towards the right, arching that back down. Let's draw in our ears now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw the outer portion first. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now let's flip over towards the left-hand side. We're going to line this up at the same height and replicate that. For the inside pattern now, starting in the center, we're going to curve this back around and then down, just replicating that shape, leaving an even amount of space. And then flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the hair that comes behind. So on either side, we're going to curve a small line that arches around and then down towards the side of the page. We'll end those at roughly the same height. And then now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then out towards the side of the body. Moving further down now, we're going to arch this down further towards the side of the page, making this quite long. And again, we'll do the same thing on the left, just ending that at roughly the same height. And then now from here, we're going to start in the corner, curving this back around and in towards the side of the page. And that is it. That's how you draw Squishmallow Sonic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.